In this tutorial, we will be discussing the spontaneity of reactions. You will recall from Chapter 5 that energy cannot be created nor destroyed. Therefore, the total energy of the universe is a constant. Energy can, however, be converted from one form to another or transferred from a system to the surroundings or vice versa. Spontaneous processes are those that can proceed without any outside intervention. The gas in vessel B will spontaneously effuse into vessel A. But once the gas is in both vessels, it will not spontaneously return to vessel B. So in other words, once this is open and they can go back and forth, you can't close it and make it go back to how it originally was. There is a difference between kinetics, which we've already learned, and thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is how to predict if a reaction can occur at a reasonable rate, such as speed, immediate states, stuff like that, intermediate states. Thermodynamics, however, is how to predict if a reaction can occur given enough time, the initial and final states, spontaneity, so on and so forth. Processes that are spontaneous in one direction are non-spontaneous in the reverse direction. If we drop an egg, it will not magically come back up to our hand and unbreak. Processes that are spontaneous in one temperature may be non-spontaneous in other temperatures. For instance, above 0 degrees, ice melts. Below 0 degrees, the reverse process is spontaneous. So at different temperatures, different things are spontaneous. In a reversible process, the system changes in such a way that the system and surroundings can be put back into the original states by exactly reversing the process. For instance, over here, we have a higher temperature. The system gives off the heat to the surroundings. Once we lower the temperature, it'll reverse the process and the surroundings will give up its heat to the system. Irreversible processes cannot be undone by exactly reversing the change of the system. Spontaneous processes are irreversible. So for instance, once again, if we lift this out, the gas fills the entire container. You have to do physical work in order to push it back. And that's your introduction to spontaneity.